adopt it as his own. Through trials and through struggles, his love has always shown. I believe in what God's doing in your heart and in your life. He's refining, He's transforming through the battles and the strife. He will finish what He started. By His Spirit you'll be strong. I believe in what God's doing. Through you His work goes on. The foolishness confounds you, and weakness seems so great. The Lord delights in using the humble for His sake. He gives His sacred purpose to build His church in love. If you weeping and remember the strength from Christ above. I believe in what God's doing in your heart and in your life. He's refining, He's transforming through the battles and the strife. He will finish what He started. By His Spirit you'll be strong. I believe in what God's doing. Through you His work goes on. So take heart when the road is long, for His promises remain. He is shaping, He is leading through the joy and through the pain. Every step was held by mercy, every tear will not be lost. God is working every faithful. Jesus paid the final cost. I believe in what God's doing in your heart and in your life. He's refining, He's transforming through the battles and the strife. He will finish what He started. By His Spirit you'll be strong. I believe in what God's doing. Through you His work goes on. Yes, I believe in what He's doing. Forever faithful, true and kind. Keep your eyes on Christ, your Savior. His good purpose you will find. Ou blame que kwe pi ku blai shibun.